Hello, loves. It's Karen. Welcome back. If you're new here, I would love it if you would take a chance on this channel, subscribe, stick around, hang out with me. I've got double boxy. What does a girl have to do to cancel the premium? Again, everyone I think on YouTube lately has got clogged ears. At least that I've been watching. Okay, there we go. Much better. I canceled it. I didn't get it last month, and now I've got 2 premiums again. Okay, so, and of course there's 2 different profiles, and I'm sure I was charged for it. There is a card in here with prices. This is the $35 a month subscription, and we're going to go through both of them, is what we're going to do here. And I think I don't have my base box, and I'm wondering, but I'm not getting like the choice emails anymore. I got one, and I chose the Elemis skin resurfacing pads because I absolutely love keeping up to date with my skin and getting rid of dead skin cells and microdermabrasion and all that stuff for hyperpigmentation, everything. So, and I didn't get it, so I was kind of sad. I do, however, got this Skin & Company Truffle Therapy. This brand is okay. I'm not really obsessed with it in any way. I will use it because we get it. This is a heavy looking eye concentrate. So really this is for the eyes. It's an eye cream. All right, let's see. Does it have a seal? It does. It's a, oh, this is like really lotiony and creamy. So I'm not going to open it. Let me see if I can get this back on here. Let's just see what it does quickly, shall we? It's made in Italy. It hydrates the eyes. Puffiness, bags, dark circles, signs of aging. Okay, we know what it does now. Ooh, I see Kivon Okun. How did that go? The Expert Mascara. Can you say that name? Kevin Oikun? Yeah, it's probably just, you know, spelled differently, but a normal name, I guess. I don't know. All right, let's open this up. I'm not going to open the mascara because I've got so many, but here it is. Pretty plain packaging. And it doesn't say that it does anything special. It just says it's an expert. So it's an expert. All right, let me tell you what the prices were on those 2 items. The mascara is $29. And the skin thing, $66. I think they overcharge. Anyone else think they overcharge? I totally freaking do. All right. Now, what is this? Pure Heals by Nature Village. What the hell is it? $28. It's a serum with soothing extracts. So it relieves irritations of sensitive skin and strengthens the skin barrier. Okay, so it helps damaged skin and sensitive skin. Yeah, it's $28. I told you guys that. I do like oils. So here it is here. I can kind of smell the, like, it almost smells like natural through the bottle. Okay, well, we're not going to open this because it's got a seal on it. And I see 3 things left. Okay. What is this? Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. Oh, I got variation 46, by the way. All right, so this butter balm thing, where are you? Butter balm. $12. And peony. I have a lot of these open. Oh my gosh, look how freaking cute, though. Like, imagine pulling this out of your purse. People are like, what is that? It's my lip balm. That's neat. I love lip balms. I'm still using the Avia that we got last year from Ipsy. Okay, Milk Makeup. I've heard so much about this. I don't think I've got anything from them yet. Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. What's that about? A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Oh, okay. I don't know if I... All right. Let me just see, because I'm like curious here. It's probably just something to make your skin glow. And what you can use it on your lip or your cheek. I'm trying to get the little plastic thing to come off. Oh, there we go. Oh, and I got my... I don't know. I smudged it, but here it is here. Let's see. Yeah, all right. This is like just a glow. It's nothing that is really going to add color. Alrighty. That's kind of... Well, someone will use it, I'm sure. And what is it worth? Please don't tell. $15. Okay. Then we've got this Baddington, I think that says. $90? Powder and contour brush set. Oh, it's brushes. Oh, let me see. Brushes. The box sound for this. I've got... Okay, okay. What are the brushes worth? I said 90. Yeah, I did say 90. Wow. Okay, so this is your contour brush here. They feel kind of heavy. And this would definitely be... Well, it says a powder brush. So, yeah, I could see that. You could even use it for highlight if you're just using like the tip. But $90 for these two? Yeah, no. Would you ever pay $90 for two brushes? Like, are there any in the entire world that are worth $90, just two brushes? I don't know. I think that's outrageous. But anyhow, let's get into the other box. All right. Let's see what variation I got this time. And we're back to no card in this one. Like, really? No card. Okay, and I see the same eye concentrate cream, the same serum moisturizer thing, the same milk glow thing. Ooh, but I see Kat Von D 24-hour super brow longwear pomade. We're gonna open that bitch up. Yes. Oh, I got the same Best Bud. Ooh. Look at that. I opened this and peeked briefly last night, but look. This looks like I could put it in my travel bag. It smells like chocolate. Oh yes, definitely. Heaven, less is more. Sexpert? Ha! Okay. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or put it in a giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it. But the case, and this is like beautiful. Like I would love, like I just feel luxurious holding it. Like I love that. I love the packaging. Okay. And let's do the pomade thing. I've been using pencils lately, but I like a good pomade. It might even be worth putting in my kit. I'm not going to swatch that because I'm probably going to put it in my kit. But it looks like, it does not look like it's dried out at all. It has a 6-month expiration date and it's dark brown. So that's everything I got in both of my premiums. And I don't know which variation that one was because I didn't get a card with that one. So sometimes they give me cards, sometimes they don't. I probably will do another giveaway soon with some of those items, or I might save them for the raffle. If you guys don't know about that, I do have a live explaining it, and I probably will explain it again in another video. But thank you for joining me for this unboxing. If you did like this video or any of these products, could you give it a thumbs up for me? Share it out. I would love that. If you have not subscribed, if you would, that would be excellent. And make sure that you say hello so I can get to know you. And guys, I'll see you soon in another video. Be blessed and stay safe.